Hi, this is Randy Meyer again, and this is my second new technology that I looked up. And my new technology I looked at is free online surveys. The surveys allows teachers, administrators to create surveys, quizzes, forms, polls quickly and easily. We poll students all the time to see what is working and what is not in the school. The administration sends out everything to find out, what the students are actually thinking. Okay, so this helps set policy in school, make it small adjustments if you have to. The ISTs will be 5A and 1C. And like I say, this is for teachers and administrators. To get started, all you have to do is sign in. Sign in is pretty easy. The same thing, you just use your Google account, your email. And it brings you right up to the dashboard right here. And you can go ahead and start a new project or something like that. All you got to do is hit the new project. I wanted to start a survey. Like I say, we survey all the time. Name of your survey, I'm just going to put the Junior ROTC. This is one of the questions that we ask all the time. At the beginning of the year, why? In this question, let's just see exactly why students do join Junior ROTC. There's many reasons for them to join. A simple survey like this, we can send out to all our students. We can finish the survey. And once we finished it, that's the one question you could ask. You hit the send button. Okay, we're going to use it as a free user, of course. You come up with your website. You go on there. You can add this. Come all the way down here. Email to your address book. We have all our students and parents on an address book. So all we got to do is upload our contacts, and then send the email. And as they answer the questions, okay, all we have to do is hit the results. And of course, there are no results right now because we are just starting. You can go back here and add more questions if you want, if you need to, add additional questions. This is pretty simple to use. It's a great tool for, like I say, for the administration to go ahead and work on tweaking their policies just a little bit. Thank you.